Hmm? What's really good? You don't want me to go home? Thanks. Just tell me the reason. I'm not looking forward to know why you would want me to go home. But I heard you was acting bad. I just wanted to see for myself. Period. And my people wanted to know. Hmm. And what? She got slapped. But we don't care though. We just let she's confident enough to come outside while it's fucking up. We think it's too confident now. You was too confident. What if I go back to my man's house? Before I go home. Because my people wants to see her daddy. Before I go home, what's gonna happen? Hmm? What is daddy gonna say? Hmm? What is daddy gonna say though? He do not want to come over to her face. She said one thing he's gonna do is not hit a pregnant woman. One thing he's not gonna do is hit a pregnant woman. That's what the people said. That's what people said though. That's what it is. She's pregnant to get hit up. Look at the baby. Look at my little. She right here with a boyfriend. She got a white man for a man. Don't be acting, honey. Don't be acting. Don't be acting. Okay? Like, don't be acting. She's too pregnant to be dealing with it. How am I? It's too much. Er is nou baie problemen vir my wat gaan doen hierso. Wat kan ek doen wanneer ek koop hierso? En ek kry baie meistekant buitekant. Maar die probleem is wanneer ek hier is toch gekom. Dit was nie hierso nie. Maar nou wanneer ek gaan daar, ek gaan huis toe. Dit is so baie daar by die straat. Het julle gewas? Hier en hier. Vertel my, het jy gewas? Wanneer jy het hierso met die man. Ek was daar met my man en het die buitekant gegaan. Maar ek nog vra jou, was jy met my man wanneer jy het nie gewas nie? Wat is jou probleem? Hoekom is jy nie jou skoon meisiekant nie? Wat is jou probleem meisiekant? Jy doen die net ding elke dag. Dit is wat jy doen. Jy was nie elke dag. Dit is die eerste ding jy kan doen, nie was nie. Wat is die probleem? Ik weet jy het nie gewas, want jy het baie kak gepraat. Dat is wat ek weet. Praat baie kak wanneer ek is hier. Is jy bang vir my? Ek gaan jou slaan, omdat ek wil nie bang wees ook. Hoor jy? Ek is nie bang vir die klein kinders, kort kinders ook. Hoor jy? Ek wil jou slaan wanneer ek bang vir my daar, wanneer ek gaan huis toe. Hoor jy? Die wit mense kan praat met jou. Jy moet antwoord my wanneer ek praat met jou. Hoor jy? Or else I'm gonna hate you.